Want to accept payments with Razorpay on your Wix website? Here's what you need to know and the correct way to set it up. Start by opening your Wix dashboard and going to Settings, then Accept Payments. Search for Razorpay in the list of available providers. As of now, Razorpay is not officially supported directly by Wix in most regions. So here's the workaround. Go to your Razorpay account and create a payment link or checkout page for your product or service. Then copy that payment link. Next, go back to your Wix editor and select a button like Buy Now or Pay Now. Click Link Web Address and paste your Razorpay payment link. Another option is to use Embed HTML to add a Razorpay payment button or script directly, but this requires basic coding. For most users, using a payment link is the easiest and safest method. Now you know how to use Razorpay with your Wix website using a simple workaround. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.